Dear crafters, how are you today? So I'm on to another project for the salon, and here I have cut out some pieces of velvet material, okay? And the measurement of this velvet material is, let me use the pink. Okay, so I have cut it 23 by 5 inches, okay? 23 by 5 inches. I've been creating some beautiful hair accessory designs for a salon, and I've now started supplying them to other salons too. These pieces are really lovely, especially for the festive season, and I'd love to share them with you. For a free list of these trendy hair accessories, just click the WhatsApp link in the description or pinned comment, or simply write trendy hair design list in the comments, and I'll send you a quick link. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to take it this way, like this, and you're going to sew it all the way down. Okay, after you do that, you will turn it inside out. So let's take a look at this one that has been turned inside out. Okay, so this is what we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn, this is where it's sewn. Okay, we're going to turn it this way, take it like this. Okay, take this like this, and take this like this. Okay, and then we're going to do a curve, and we're going to sew it. So I'll just make use of my hand here to sew it. It's quite thick. So I'm sewing it at a curve. So I'm going to continue and come back, just sew it at a curve. Okay, so I'm done sewing it at a curve. So I'm going to knot it. And cut it close to the stitches. And that's it. You have your band. Band is ready.